On today's episode, Poor Boys Diesel, we have a 2024 Raptor R in for some Whipple modifications. Owner's Keaton Hoskins, aka The Muscle. Right now we're currently driving the truck in stock form, just getting a feel for it. I've driven one of these trucks before, and they're incredible machines, stock. I mean, out the box, these trucks drive like a sports car. These 10 speeds have come a long way from the factory. These trucks make 700 horsepower to the crank. I would assume probably around 550, 500 to the tires on 37s. This truck does have 37s on it right now, so right now we're just driving and getting a feel for that way when we do our dyno pull, we put the Whipple on it, we can give you guys our feedback, what we think of it. So we're just driving this truck around and getting a feel for it and see how it handles, and right now we're just gonna do a pull on it and see how it pulls. Wow. Well, it's a little wet out, guys. I got this truck in 4 high. We're gonna see how well it handles and how well it pulls, so that way we have a comparison for you. Let's see how well this 10-speed clicks off the gears. I know in the Super Duty trucks they can be kind of temperamental, but I know the F-150s do a little different, so here we go. I will say, the 10-speed and the F-150s shifts a hell of a lot better than it does in the Super Duties, even with trans tuning. This truck is incredible out the box. I mean, it's got power through the entire RPM range. It handles super well, even on these super wide 37s that Keaton's got on here. We're gonna go ahead and get it back to the shop. We're gonna put it on the dyno with these tires. We're gonna see what it puts down, and then we're gonna start the heart surgery. Stay tuned. Awesome machine. I mean, even the handling, like going into a corner, it feels real planted. It doesn't, move around a bunch, and it doesn't torque steer too bad. I definitely figured it was going to torque steer with these 13.5-inch wide Toyo MTs on it. You can definitely tell I would like more of a street tire, but street tires don't look cool like mud tires do, you know what I'm saying? All right, we're gonna get this thing on the dyno and put some numbers down.